subscribe to our channel.
5 Home Remedies for Overcoming Fatigue. Fatigue is a common symptom that could be caused by poor sleep, an intense day at work, or an exhausting trip. This is a physical and mental weakness that can interrupt your day, causing bodily weakness and difficulty concentrating. In most cases, it's fleeting and disappears with enough rest and eating healthy foods. But other times, it's the body's reaction to some sort of disease, which makes one feel fatigued more often. Fortunately, thanks to the active compounds and natural ingredients, overcoming fatigue can be done with healthy, low-cost home remedies. Today we're going to share 5 of these remedies with you, that you should definitely consider before using energy-boosting products sold on the market. 1. Ginger tea for overcoming fatigue. Ginger root is famous for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic compounds that are effective against muscular aches and pains. Its high antioxidant content helps eliminate toxins from the body, while also blocking the effects of free radicals. It has a stimulating effect on the nervous system, which helps increase energy for better performance. 2. Oatmeal drink. Oats contain carbohydrates and fiber that increase bodily energy while reducing fatigue. They're considered to be one of the healthiest foods around because they improve digestion and cardiovascular health. 3. Apple, orange, and lemon juice. This delicious drink is not only a tonic, but it's perfect for strengthening the body's defenses and preventing disease. It contains important amounts of vitamin C and fiber, which help promote waste elimination for a healthier body. 4. Ginseng infusion. Ginseng root is good for health because of its high vitamin and mineral content. Regularly consuming it will keep away illness and will reduce fatigue related to stress or exhaustion from working. 5. Yogurt and banana smoothie. This yogurt and banana smoothie is a healthy drink because of its fiber, minerals, and vitamins, which reduce physical and mental fatigue. It also has wheat germ in it, along with strawberries and milk. These ingredients contain carbohydrates and quality antioxidants which stop oxidative damage while reducing hunger and weakness. Any of these home remedies will help in overcoming fatigue to help you be more active, with a greater sense of well-being. You'll have to complement these drinks, however, with good rest, a balanced diet, and regular practice of relaxation techniques. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.